Hello viewers, in this video I will teach you how to buy a SSL certificate for your domain name on Godaddy. In my previous video I have told you what SSL certificate is and how it works, right? It protects your data that is transferring from your website to users or users sent to your website by the means of encryption, right? So if you want to make your website more safe and secure place and you want to rank on Google search engine result page, then you would require a SSL certificate. And how to purchase it? As you can see, I am on to godaddy.com, and here I have already logged in into my Godaddy account, and here there is an option of security in the Godaddy's website header section, right? We need to click on this, and here is the SSL certificate. Okay, so there are multiple SSL certificates getting displayed over here, right? If you want to purchase the single domain DVSSL, then it would cost you around 3,228 bucks per year, right? It is for a single domain, right? And you need to install the SSL certificate manually, right? GoDaddy is not going to help you out for the SSL certificate installation, right? This is do it yourself. And if I come to this particular certificate, then you can use this SSL certificate and GoDaddy will handle the installation, reinstallation, and all the troubleshooting and maintenance work for your SSL certificate, right? And if you are having multiple websites and you want to purchase SSL for each domain, then you can go with this particular plan, as this SSL will work for 5 websites, right? And whereas this plan is good for one website with unlimited subdomains, right? So whatever the SSL certificate you want, you can simply make it purchase, right? So for one website, this one is nice, so I will add it to my cart, and then you just need to make the payment, right? And whenever you make the payment for this particular SSL certificate, for example, I just want to purchase it for the 1 year, then I will simply select for 1 year, and then I will make the payment, and this particular SSL certificate would be purchased and would be available in my Godaddy products page, right? Then I just need to install this SSL certificate on my domain name manually. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore the digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.